Hi, it's Sharon LaFlamme with the Toothbrush Yoga series, recapping all about my natural cleaning series. So we had the soft scrub, which is smooth and for lighter jobs, but a good scrub. And you can make this up yourself. I've got your recipe. And then the earth paste, made for much tougher jobs. It's much harder. It's liquid, used with brushes, sponge. I love to use brushes and toothbrushes to get into small areas. Vinegar in a spray bottle to keep into your shower, sinks, on your kitchen counters. It's going to clean. It's going to be antibacterial to a degree. Toilets under the rim. My all-purpose natural spray. And one that I haven't talked to you about and I use all the time is just plain old hydrogen peroxide with cleaning bubbles, because the oxidation process is where you're going to get clean. You can spray this on your counters and your sinks, but you're going to need to use an alkaline product to get it to activate and do that. Sometimes liquid dish soap will work really well with that. You can even use a little hand soap. So if you got a little stain on your clothes, put a little hydrogen peroxide, put a little bit of soap to activate the oxidation process. You'll get your stain out. And then we've got the mold spray, so you can remove and kill mold and mildew. You can also put it on to prevent mold and mildew. And I make this. You got lots of cleaning solutions that will keep you, your home, your family healthy and safe. And I hope you'll ask me for any of the recipes. I'm happy to send them to you. Okay, so have a wonderful day. See you on social media. Come see me on the Toothbrush Yoga series on Twitter. Namaste.